welcome to Velodyne Lidar's virtual CES 2022 experience. I am Jane Maynard, Velodyne Lidar's Senior Manager of Communications. With our company's commitment to safety paramount, Velodyne made the decision to not participate in person at CES 2022 due to the surge of COVID-19 infection rates. We want to thank everyone for their flexibility and extend our well wishes of health and safety to all in the new year. In lieu of our in-person booth experience, we are providing our partners' presentations in a virtual format here on Velodyne Lidar's YouTube channel. I am happy to introduce you to EasyMile. EasyMile's driverless technology is at the core of award-winning solutions for mobility, intralogistics, and more. In partnership with TLD, EasyMile's TractEasy is the first driverless electric tow tractor enabling autonomous material handling in indoor and outdoor logistics processes, for example, at airports. Alban Brassi, Head of Business Development for EasyMile, will now present to us discussing EasyMile's autonomous solutions that all use Velodyne's LiDAR sensors, including the TractEasy. Thank you, Alban.
Hello everyone. Due to the sanitary situations, we have decided with our partner Velodyne that we will not be physically present to the CES 2022. Even if it will not replace completely a face-to-face discussions we would have loved to have on the CES 2022, we have decided to record that video in replacement of the conference we should have done on Velodyne booth in the partner session. In this video, I will start to introduce who is EasyMile, what we do, who are our customers and partners. Then, since we believe at EasyMile that the safety is really at the core of any of autonomous driving development, I will let Romain Dupont explain you how we handle safety at EasyMile. Then, I will present you our solution to automate logistic flow, and with a special focus of a presentation of our autonomous tow tractor, the TractEasy. EasyMile is a technology provider. We provide a driverless solution to equip different vehicles in order to automate different flow of passengers or goods. EasyMile is headquartered in Toulouse. We are 260 employees with different offices in Toulouse, Berlin, Denver, and Singapore. Our shareholders are Continental, Alstom Transport, BPI France, McQueen, Churchlight, and Nextage. We have around 180 shuttles operating every day all over the world, as well as more than 20 TractEasy, an autonomous tow tractor which is deployed on different industrial sites and airports. EasyMile focuses on level 4 autonomous driving, meaning that our vehicle is operating on predefined tracks, but without any human intervention and even human presence on board. This is where we are focusing on. Our strategy is to focus on use cases where we can provide real services, bring payback to our customers, which are technically accessible today. Part of those use cases of our focus are factories, logistics centers, airports, ports, and also passenger transport on closed site, but also for last mile applications. For example, this video makes 3 interesting sites where our vehicles are operated. Yellow shuttles are 2 shuttles operated in Berlin by BVG. The white shuttle is operated in Hamburg and it provides an on-demand transport service deployed during the ITS 2021 with 50 stations enabling inhabitants to travel with our shuttle in an entire district. The white and orange shuttle is recorded on the Oncopole site, where our shuttle transports hospital guests from the parking to the main entrance of the hospital. This site has been the first in Europe to get the authorization to run without any attendant on board on a public street end of 2021. We offer our autonomous driving technology to different customers, like transport operators for passengers or private site owners. And for the goods transportation part, we sell our autonomous driving trucks to different either transport operators or factories which can operate their vehicle by themselves. We also have a big activity toward licensing our autonomous driving solution or some of our expertise to different OEMs. Within the scope of the STAR project, we collaborate with Iveco to co-develop an autonomous 12-meter bus. Within SAM project in France, we collaborate on the safety demonstration of autonomous vehicles with OEMs like Stellantis and Renault. Within the award project led by EasyMile, we work with TLD on deploying autonomous luggage tractor at Oslo Airport. We work with Scamag on deploying an autonomous swap body truck on an Austrian public road linking a road tax engine factory to a warehouse of DB Schenker. We work with Terberg and the FDS on deploying an autonomous yard truck to transport containers on the biggest European port. And we work with Kion, the European leader in material handling vehicles, to automate their counterbalance forklift to move batteries from one building to another in a factory. I will now let Romain Dupont present you our safety methodology.
I want to tell you why our technology is safe by design. It's about providing you a service based on autonomous vehicles that can handle any situations, based on a complex systems that have been designed considering the safety as part of the answer. Any situations means define what we call operational design domain, ODD, combining all the situations we want to address, and these situations are then analyzed in order to identify all the potential hazards and specify mitigations that have to be achieved to guarantee the safety. I have a dedicated team for the safety activities composed by highly qualified experts coming from various industries where the safety is the key and highly regulated. They bring to the project, they bring to the design their experiences. Safety, it's a combination of simulation test bench in order to make continuous integration of our hardware and software, but also in order to recreate complex situations. And then we have also real-life testing. Part of them are done at our premises, but also done with a partner like laboratory to recreate complex situation, dynamic situation where we have bicyclists, pedestrians, other vehicles, but also to recreate harsh weather conditions. To guarantee and to demonstrate our safety, we need also an independent judgment from experts. So we bring from the very beginning of projects independent or third-party assessor in order to have this independent judgment about the behavior, the performance, but also the integrity of all of our safety architectures. So you see, EasyMile's technology is complex, but the result is simple, smart, reliable, and objectively safe.
If you want to know more, please contact us and we will be glad to organize a dedicated meeting to spend hours to explain you how we ensure that our system is safe. Let's talk about our solution for factories. We would like to become the leading provider of autonomous logistic flow, and to do that, we are developing different vehicle range to transport different goods in different environments and for different needs. We are developing this autonomous tow tractor to do some horizontal transfer from one building to another. We are developing autonomous trucks to move big semi-trailers between different gates of the buildings, and we are also working on autonomous counterbalance forklift to be able to automate also logistic flow which needs vertical movement of the goods. Let's focus on one specific autonomous vehicle, which is the TractEasy. The TractEasy is a product which is co-developed with EasyMile as the autonomous driving technology provider and TLD, which is a world leader of ground support equipment. TLD is providing different vehicles as luggage tractor, pushback, stairs, and all the different kind of specific vehicle you can find in an airport. TLD is working on developing the hardware part of the vehicle itself. They are building the vehicle in their factory and install the autonomous driving solution of EasyMile on realize a factory acceptance test on a test track in their factory, and then they are deploying the TractEasy on different airports in the world. EasyMile is providing the autonomous driving solution, but also is taking care of the business development of that solution for all sectors except airport. We are doing the vehicle installation, deployment, as well as maintenance with partners on different industrial sites. The TractEasy is a groundbreaking driverless and zero-emission electric tow tractor. It revolutionizes operational flexibility for ground transportation of goods on industrial sites, logistics centers, and airports. It follows predefined routes, warehouse management system orders, or on-demand requests via an app. It can pull up to 25 tons without dedicated infrastructure. It's suitable for harsh weather conditions, indoor and outdoor. It detects and avoids potential obstacles thanks to a full set of sensors. It includes Velodyne Lidars, visions, GPS, odometry, and inertial measurement unit. Thanks to wide-angle vision, it sees up to 100 meters at the front and 40 meters to the sides. It communicates with traffic lights with V2X communication. TractEasy have docking functions which enable him to really dock really close to a belt of a sorting area or to a conveyor for automatic loading and unloading. TractEasy has also an automatic charging capability. As you can see on that video, there is two conductive plates positioned on the ground, and the TractEasy, thanks to its autonomous driving technology, can stop really precisely at the position of this plate, ensuring the contact and the charging automatically. I will now let Kevin Haro introduce you how to automate your logistic flow with the TractEasy.
An important part of logistics processes is loading and unloading. And I want to tell you more how easy, convenient, and safe it is to do so with TractEasy. So for example, TractEasy arrives at your assembly line. 1. The vehicle will park at a predefined point. 2. The operator will put the TractEasy in a safe mode, preventing the vehicle from any movement. 3. Now the operator can safely load and unload the goods. 4. Once done, the operator puts back the TractEasy in its operational mode. And 5. Finally, the TractEasy is ready to go to its next destination. To do so, you can just press a button on the vehicle or remotely, and you can even choose a specific destination on the vehicle panel or through the supervision. So you see, TractEasy has been designed to be easily integrated into your logistics processes and interact with your employees. Loading and unloading with TractEasy is very intuitive, easy, and most of all, safe for your operations.
I hope you enjoyed that video and it gave you a good overview of what we do at EasyMile. We invite you to contact us at sales@easymile.com in order to organize a first web meeting of introduction and make us able to analyze your needs and if our autonomous vehicle can help to automate some of your transport of goods or passengers. We wish you to stay safe during this new COVID wave. This was Alban, the Business Development Director of EasyMile.